Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome John Graff.
Thank you. Good morning. Welcome to NIWeek. It was just over 40 years ago that Neil Armstrong stepped on the surface of the moon, and we heard him say,
"It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind."
That historic statement represented the culmination of one of the most significant engineering projects of the 20th century. The vision to put a man on the moon had been laid out just 7 years prior in a speech President Kennedy gave at Rice University. Obviously, there were massive challenges that had to be overcome with this project. At the time of Kennedy's speech, man had only been 100 miles from the surface of the Earth, and now we were proposing to send humans 250,000 miles, land them on an unknown celestial body, and then return them all the way home. But the engineers and scientists stepped up to this and to many other challenges. They overcame the many problems throughout the project. EE Times recently ran a series of articles and a special issue that reflected on the 40th anniversary of the moon landing and its impact. As one editor pointed out, immediately following this event, the world embraced the innovation and the engineering behind it. "We did it, not they did it," was proclaimed around the world. Now we face new challenges. A mortgage crisis has created a financial crisis. It's led to a banking and credit crisis. Consumers have stopped buying, businesses have stopped spending. Today we face the greatest global recession since the Great Depression. We've had bailouts and stimulus plans, budget cuts and layoffs. Well, folks, the best way I could summarize the situation right now is to say that the financial engineers have really screwed things up. Now is the opportunity for real engineers, real scientists, and the real drivers of innovation to step up. As Dr. T just highlighted, there's a number of grand challenges that have been laid out in front of the engineering and scientific community. It will take significant effort and significant innovation to achieve any one of those challenges. But it's not just about these big societal challenges. It's also about the challenges each of our businesses face. To help overcome today's problems will also take significant effort and significant innovation. But it can't be the same level of effort that we've had the last 10 years. A recent cover story in Businessweek pointed out that what may have played a role in the recent financial crisis was actually a shortfall in innovation. The statistics that indicated significant gains in productivity and growth in the technology industry were likely inflated or just wrong. So we must find ways to do more. That might sound like a cliche, but I think it's a simple and accurate statement of the challenge before us. The fact that all of you are here is a testament to your interest of finding ways to do more. Over the next few days, we hope to facilitate and foster a communication, a dialogue, of how together we can find ways to do more. At National Instruments, we see our focus to provide you the tools and technologies to help you test more, design more, and control more. As is the case at every NIWeek, this morning we'll have a number of our engineers here on stage to show new products and new technologies that we believe can help you do more. We hope the demonstrations you see will excite you and even challenge assumptions you may have about how you approach your test, design, and control applications. At the same time, we hope you will challenge us and excite us as we hear what you're doing and trying to do with the NI platform.